Welcome to this video, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to let computer read something aloud for you. And there are different voices, and I'm going to talk about how to read a document. For example, I have this article open. So this is Microsoft Edge. And once you open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots at the top right, and then go to More Tools. And right here, you should see that there is read aloud. So you see read aloud. You can click on read aloud, and the shortcut for it is Control Shift U. So I'm gonna click on it.
Unlocking Human Ambition to Drive Business Growth with AI. April 28th, 2026, Judson Althoff.
So you see right here, I can click on play, and it's gonna read the whole thing, or I can change the speed option. So I can click on the voice options at the top right, and right here I can speed it up. If I move this thing a little bit to the right, it's gonna speed it up. If I move it to the left, it's gonna slow it down. So I'm gonna keep it on normal for now, and this is the voices. So these are the voices. If you click on this, it will show you a menu, and there are like hundreds of voices, but the one that I like, it's called Microsoft Andro Multilingual. So Microsoft, if you want this one, I really like it. It's called Microsoft Andro Multilingual Online. You can click on play basically,
Althoff,
and it will
CEO,
just
Microsoft.
read it for you. So that's it. And if you want to read a PDF file, for example, we can go to the PDF file. So I have the PDF file open here. And before I open this PDF file on the browser, I want to let you know that I have the Adobe Acrobat extension installed. So I'm going to click on the three dots again and go to settings, and I'll show you how to add this extension. So go to extensions at the left side, and right here you see I have Adobe Acrobat PDF extension installed. If you want to install it, you can click on get extensions for Microsoft Edge, and right here you should just type in Adobe and then just install this one, Adobe Acrobat. All right, so you see it has this check by it. It's this one is Adobe Acrobat. So one click on it and install it. So once you install it, just open that PDF file, and I'm gonna do it now. So let me just go to downloads. So I have the 100 idioms PDF file. So I'm gonna just drag it and drop it on the browser, and as you notice, it will just open it in a new window. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Click on the three dots, go to More Tools, and go to Read Aloud. So one click on it.
1. Actions speak louder than words. This means that what someone does is more important than what they say.
It does a great job, and it sounds like a human. It's not like the built-in robot voice. And this is it, basically. And if you don't install this extension, and if you just open the PDF file and you just read it aloud, it's gonna probably go, it will finish the first page and it will stop over here somewhere. So that happens a lot if you don't have the Adobe Acrobat extension installed. I hope that you liked this video, everyone, and let me know in the comments what do you think about it.